Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is your boy Forex Strategy Factory. So this is what we do on this channel. Every time we are here, we create video of analyzing the market for you and talking about Forex and other way to make money online. As you can see, this is what this channel is all about. And I am the only one behind this channel. So if you are interested in those type of activities, subscribe, push the red subscribe button, and then you push the bell and select all, and then you can know exactly when I am either live or I made a video like this. So let's run. We're gonna run through some kind of a pair right now, you know, and what we're gonna do with those pair. Okay, see, what we're gonna do with those pair is to quickly, without wasting time, talk about it, analyze it. This is one of my prospect accounts. I'm trading on behalf of one of my prospects. Okay, so I'm gonna use this account to analyze the market. We're gonna talk about the AUD card. Okay, AUD card. Today's date is January 20, 2023. So if you come across this analysis in the future, this is January 20, 2023. So let's open the chart. You know, sometimes we're gonna have glitches of network, so I believe you guys should have some patience. We do have network problem here and there here, so we just have to wait. Okay, we're back. So if this is AUD card, and what we can see about AUD card is that it is going up, and then everything we have seen is that the MACD have just crossed the line 0, as you can see it here. And I think this is the best time to get into the AUD card as a buying opportunity. If we have to go by our own analysis, the RSI is bouncing up strong, and if we have to go by our own analysis, our own trend line analysis, this is what we always do. You see, this analysis is only Forex Trendy can show you this analysis properly. If you don't have Forex Trendy, you can never notice this thing I'm doing right here. Now, AUD card, we broke out of the line, and then we're going up. Okay, now we are going up. Okay, so if our entry is to buy direct from the market right now, let's say we are buying direct right now from here, which our own thing is gonna be a buy, and then we're gonna have our entry on this line right here. This is our entry right now. Now, if we have to go and see our own take profit level, 0.94 083, 0.94 083, 0.94 083, somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here is our take profit level. Let's put it there and see what we get. This is clear this one up. This is what we have. Okay, 0.94083, we have 099, 0.94083, somewhere around here. Okay, let's put it here and say this is our take profit AUD card January 20, 2023. And then We have our stop loss. This is how to do this type of trade. This is our stop loss. And I believe maybe this is the only thing we're going to do today, because man, we have problems here. Light network. Thank you for watching. Bye.